Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking, a season of popular favorites, featuring dishes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Stay tuned now. Here is today's host.
Welcome to Creative Cooking, the range of Grace beverages from our newest blends line to the favorite tropical rhythms. It's not only great straight from the bottle, but also in cocktails. We have invited Albert Brown, a bartender, to be our special guest on the program today. And he's going to be sharing mixes with us, but he's also going to share some excitement in the kitchen. Am I right, Albert?
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the program.
Hi, thanks for having
Good
me.
to have you, young man.
Okay.
What are you going to be?
Today I'm making two drinks, a cocktail and a non-alcoholic cocktail. First one we call Grace Triple Fusion, and the other one Grace Tropical Rhythm Tropical Colada.
I have seen you at work, in our bars, and I've seen you have done some exciting things in the bar. You're going to be sharing some of that excitement with us today, too?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, well, Albert, it's over to you.
First off, we start, like cocktail stuff,
Okay.
Right, so here you go. Like a little mix of skills here as well.
I think I can try that.
Most definitely you can. It's some practice.
Wow, thank you, man. That was good.
We'll have some rum, of course. This whole bartending field, I have tricks as well that, add to it, entertain the crowd and stuff. So it's not all about just pouring regular cocktails. You have to make your crowd happy as well, all right? Happier the crowd, more tips you get.
Oh, wow, that's a good one.
So, like, well, little magic here and there around the bar.
Am I seeing right?
Yes, you're seeing right, definitely.
Oh.
Add some triple sec. Add a little vodka. Not too much to get drunk now.
Just
And magic behind it, Grace Triple Fusion. I'm currently the double champion for Jamaica and the Caribbean, both in TGI Fridays Bartender Challenge and Sky Vodka Global Challenge. Okay. So I've been to a couple of places. I've been to Barbados for bartending competition. I've been to Mexico. I've been to Monte Carlo, France as well.
Really?
Yes.
Very good.
Just kind of getting ready for this year competition.
Okay.
So add some ice to your tin as well, and add some ice to your glass.
So how long ago did you start developing your skill?
Roughly like about a year and a half or
Really?
almost 2
all
years.
of those things I see you doing there?
Yeah.
That means it's not too late for me then. I
No,
can
it's not
start,
too late
right?
for you, no.
Okay, good.
All I have to do is just practice, practice,
Constant
practice.
practice.
Yeah. That's the
Okay.
3 words I use every day. Practice, practice. So
Okay, good.
shake. You get the strainer and you pour over fresh ice. And what's a drink without a garnish?
Wow. It had so much value to the drink,
Yeah. A cherry, of course.
Okay. So it's just a wedge of pineapples with the skin on, with cherry and a fasten with a toothpick.
Yeah.
Simple things that we all have at home, eh?
Yeah, simple
Try,
stuff.
yes.
Right? And
Practice, practice,
the
practice.
straw, of course, right?
So what's the second drink you're making for us?
Second drink will be the Grace Tropical Rhythm Tropical Colada.
Okay, over to you.
First we have Grace Tropical Rhythm Pineapple Ginger. Grace Tropical Rhythms Mango Carrot flavored. And Grace Blends Sorrel Ginseng. Crushed ginger as well.
It's a lovely flavor, eh?
Yes, it is. And ice. Then we shake in a cocktail shaker first. Release and pour over fresh ice.
Quick and easy.
Yeah, yes it is. Yet again, what is your drink without fresh fruits? And for garnish, you have a half moon slice.
Okay.
Orange,
Good, cherries again.
Again.
Make the world of a difference.
Yeah, yes it is.
Okay, very good.
You can add some mangoes as well.
Okay. The tropical blends really, eh?
Yeah. A nice slice in there.
When you're working on that alcoholic beverage, you use triple sec, right?
Yeah.
Tell us about that product.
Triple sec is actually orange flavored liqueur.
Okay, so the flavors blend well with fruits. Okay.
Yeah, meaning, like, for instance, you know, the Grace blends is actually not all that sweet. So instead of adding, you know, plain old sugar, tropical rhythms, the triple sec itself have a little sweetening to it. So
okay.
you just add it to it.
It complements it very well.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, so yeah, and edible garnishes. You have a piece of mango there to buy it on.
Yeah.
Very quick and very easy.
Yeah.
Can we invite you to share with us a little more of the excitement that you created in the bar a while ago?
Okay.
I was just very thrilled by what you're doing. So that you find the customers are always there, you know, glued to what you're doing.
Glued to what you're doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Over to you.
Here you go. Mix it up a little bit. So it's not plain or juggling. Relax.
Oh, that is very good. Very good. Listen to me.
Give it a try.
1 year listening. I don't think in 3 years, I don't believe I could develop that skills, competence that you have developed. We really want to congratulate you, you know. So as you prepare for the competition coming up, you're going to be working with the range of Grace blends, with the tropical rhythms, with what else you have to work with?
We have to work with
fruits in season.
Yeah, fruits in season, different alcoholic liquor as well and stuff like that. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so tell us at the end of the day, where do you hope to reach? You're going to open your own business one day, I take it.
Yeah, most definitely. Or maybe having my own bartending, like, you know, I send out persons to do this kind of stuff.
Yeah, also you
something
lead a team,
different,
okay.
Different.
Congratulations, young man.
Thanks
You're
so much.
very good. The sky is the limit.
Yeah, thanks, sir.
We hope you enjoyed today's show. It was one in our season of popular favorites, featuring dishes suitable for all the meal times of your day. Be sure to join us again next Monday morning at 7:35 on Smile Jamaica for the next program in this series of creative cooking. Don't miss it.